Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by providing the image itself. This is the only way we'll anchor the result. Upload or paste a direct image URL into Midjourney, then immediately type a space and your descriptive prompt. Use clear nouns and a few modifiers so the model knows what to keep versus change. Once done, append basic params like R16, 9, or seed 42 to control composition and randomness. This first action tells Midjourney what to work from. Do it before any stylistic words. Once the image is in, you refine influence and style. Put the image link first, then craft your prompt and add EO 0, 5 to 2, 0 to shift how strongly the image guides results, higher equals stricter adherence. Then include R for aspect ratio, stylize for creativity, and quality for render time versus detail. If you want consistent results, lock a seed. Make sure to use No to exclude unwanted items. This gives you precise control during the middle, iterative passes. Finish by selecting an upscale, U1, U4, for the tile you like, or a variation V1, V4 to explore nearby options. Upscale light preserves original detail, so choose it when you want cleaner edges. Save the final image to your device and consider one last pass with tiling or aspect adjustments. If things go wrong, blurry results or unwanted changes, reduce stylize, lower the image weight, or re-roll with a new seed. This troubleshooting tip quickly recovers control and yields predictable edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.